Hey guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing backupguard, WordPress tool, a WordPress plugin that will take care of your backups and also having a security feature. Backupguard's giving you two plugins, the security plugin and the backup plugin for only $39. They are established backupguard plugin, so they are renowned on the WordPress community, and the deal is pretty good. They already have 26 positive reviews on AppSumo. I need to remember you the last plugin like that on AppSumo was Malcare, and today they are really rare. Having the security plugin, but the backup one, I don't remember. I think it's the first one on AppSumo, and I totally recommend you to buy, even if you already have backup, wpvivid, backup vivid. I would recommend it as well, because if you buy two codes, you're gonna get unlimited websites, unlimited um, for both plugins with multiple automatic backups and custom cloud destination path. So you're gonna get both plugins for $7-8. This is kind of like a two codes deal, so prepare yourself to buy both. And I'm gonna show you how the tool works. So here is their website. They have a login page. So you do not get only the plugin, you get all that dashboard to manage your license. And here's pretty simple. You can stack up your codes here. Okay, here you can stack the AppSumo codes. They have a special service here. You can pay them to migrate your websites. But here you can link your website. So the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna go here. You get unlimited license for both plugins, and then you select your website. I'm gonna just select one of mine, and I'm gonna link your website to the plugin. You don't need to do that, and it's done, and you already have the product linked. Okay, so here you can see unlimited, because I bought two codes. And I'm gonna go to one of my websites so you can see how the plugin works and how it's simple. So it keeps loading. So as you can see here on the left, backup guards. So I click here. Okay. And it's pretty simple. You have a button to migrate your website and to do the backup. And here you can select your cloud if you want to add your backup on your cloud. They have Dropbox, Google Drive, FTP, Amazon, and OneDrive, and they're planning to add bCloud as well. You can schedule it, so create a scheduled backup, one time per month, one time per week. Here you can see your settings. If you want to receive email notifications, if you want to disable ads, so I'm going to disable that ads. And so you can change as well the name of your backup file name. So I'm going to put here to remember that backup is from my website, new law. Okay. You can see the info of your plugin, their service, support, and video tutorials. So it's pretty simple. You come here and you click on backup.